No, I didn't start with affiliate marketing just to make millions. The most important thing for me was to quit my alienating 9-to-5 job, actually. You know, I had enough commuting every morning, chasing deadlines, fighting with my boss, all that while demeaning my own priorities. In exchange for what? A salary? We only live once, and I want to enjoy my life on Earth, travel around the world, spend more time with my family and friends, spend more time in nature, things I like to do, right? And more people nowadays, more than ever before in history, are getting their lives back working online, and that's amazing, I think. I actually believe it's nothing less than a real social revolution going on all over the world, and I definitely think affiliate marketing is the best way to start, because actually it's accessible to literally anyone. It's risk-free and it's straightforward. I can actually share a free training that explains exactly how to get started. I will give you the link.
Okay, Stathis, and which was the most difficult moment for you in this journey?
Good question. I'll tell you. As I said, I absolutely had to find a way to quit my job and create a laptop lifestyle. So I spent 2 years trying to understand how affiliate marketing works. I signed up for Amazon's affiliate program. I did all that. I tried different products and services, but I was not making any real sales at the beginning. I was not sure if I had picked the right niche, if I was marketing the right products. I actually had no idea what I was doing. And that was the most difficult moment for me, I think, because my wife is always very supportive, but at some point doubted the whole thing, asking me, I don't know, for example, why we're not making sales, and reminding me I was spending most of my time on a laptop trying to figure out how to succeed with affiliate marketing. You know, she was right. I didn't understand her fears and concerns, but I knew I could do it. I didn't want to let go. To make a long story short, at some point I realized I should get some help, find someone to give me the shortcuts. That's why I decided to join an amazing community of wonderful people, digital entrepreneurs and experts that guided me step by step. They never left me alone and showed me how to successfully market products and services according to my own interests and passions, and have fun with it. That shift in my mindset is what makes the whole difference. I now earn commissions 24/7 from automated sales I make all over the world, even while I'm sleeping or I'm on holidays. But the most important thing for me, as I said before, is that I'm finally free. I'm free to decide what to dedicate myself to, when to do it, and where to do it from. Just came back from a weekend spent with my friends in the woods, for example, working on a new project around our passion for hiking. That's so fulfilling for me. And what's great is that you don't need any previous experience or technical skills to be successful with affiliate marketing, really. You just need to follow a few simple steps, and you can of course do it at your own pace whenever you have time. It's very helpful for whoever is working a day job, right?
And how can someone get started?
That's easy. I will send you the training, or maybe I can share the link on this video. This is video going on YouTube, right? Okay, let's do it this way. There's probably going to be a blue Learn More button somewhere around the screen. People will hit it. They can enter their details there, and they will immediately receive the free introductory training, so they can understand if the so-called modern wealthy way of earning income is for them or not. Maybe they want to continue a traditional job forever. But I think it's time we live the life we really want to live, with no limitations.
Thank you, Stathis, for this.
Well, thank you. It's been my pleasure, and see you on the other side. Bye-bye.